Hi everyone, it's Shell here from Designs by Shell. Thanks for joining me again today. Today I'm going to show you these little treat holder items that I've made. Now I've made these before in a couple of videos, but today we're doing Christmas theme ones, and still with the Nutcracker theme I've used on here, and some really cute paper. I've used this paper here. It's got the nutcrackers, the Christmas trees, some of the gingerbread cookies, and little gifts and wreaths. Really cute paper, so that's what I've used. And so they look like this. They're like a two-sided pocket treat holder, and you can put, you know, cute little items in it. I called these tea pocket holders in another video, and so you can just fit like a packet of tea in there. You could put it in both sides if you like. So that's one option. Another option is to put some little chocolates or treats in there. So I know some people do like the chocolate nuggets or something like that. These are just some little Swiss chocolates that I had. And so all I did was just take some of the nutcracker paper and cut a strip and just wrap it around, and used my snail to adhere it on there, and then you can just stick that in there for a little treat. So they'd make cute little table favors, or they stand up, so they're kind of neat that way. So that's one there, and then here's the second one I did with the same paper, and I did it slightly different with different stamping on there. So this one is Be Jolly, and this one is Merry Christmas, and I've still used these little nutcracker ovals that I've cut out, and I just hand cut these from the paper. They were already in the oval shape. And on the back of this one I put a embossed snowflake that I had die cut on there. And yeah, I thought they turned out really cute. And for these little embellishments I used some gemstones, or these sort of half back pearls, and they're sticky on the back, so I just use those for some decor on there. And you could use anything that you have. And so I thought we would go ahead and put one of these together today. Okay, so you start with a 6x6 square of paper. Now you could use your 6x6 paper pads if you have those, and that's already in the right size. So you're just gonna put that here so that we can score it. Actually, we do that. Actually, we fold it corner to corner like this. So you have a triangle. You can use your bone folder if you want to flatten it out a bit more. So once you get it in this shape, you're going to take the long side and place it in your marking tool here, and we're going to score it at 1/2 inch in your scoreboard, is what I meant, at 1/2 inch. And if your paper is quite thick, you can do it on both sides. Let's see here. So like that. And then you're going to put it long side again along the top of your scoreboard and score it at 2 3/4. That's right here. Whoops. Line up. There we go. 2 3/4. And then flip it over to the other side and do 2 3/4 again, like so. And then when you open it up, you'll see you have which way the lines go. You've got 3 lines here with the center line there, which is where you'll have the fold, and that's the tea pocket fold. And then 2 lines up the sides here like this. So you start with it opened up, and then you're going to take the one side here, fold it in. You can use your bone folder on there. And then this side, like so. And then you're going to fold it together, and then fold that one side up. This is where the paper might get a little thick, so it's a good idea to use the bone folder to flatten it a bit. And then turn it over and do the same on the other side. And then you'll see that's where you have the little fold on the bottom there. So now it can just push that up and it can stand like this. And we're going to punch a little hole in the top here. you can use a hole punch, or this is my crocodile, so I'll just use this to punch a hole here. And on these ones, I rounded the top with my envelope punch board, but that's optional. If you want to keep it pointed, you can keep it like that. And then we're just going to take some baker's twine here. And we'll just feed that through the top here. There we go. These are pretty quick to put together, so you can do quite a few of them at one time. All right, we'll just trim that off a little bit. And then it's ready to decorate. So you can see how you have the little pockets there. So you would fit a little tea bag in there. So you can decorate however you like. These ones will carry on with the theme that I'm working with here. So maybe use the Mouse King. I'll just use my snail to put this on. And there's that guy. And the other side, we'll use the little ballerina girl. I think kids would like these at maybe at their place setting, maybe for Christmas dinner or for breakfast or something. You can put a little treat in there. And let's see, and then here's the little chocolate that I had. And then to do this, you just need a small strip, maybe about, I think it's about 1.5 inches by 2 inches maybe. And then you're just gonna wrap it around. You put some snail on the end, like so. And then some more on this part here. Yeah, makes a cute little nutcracker wrapped chocolate. You just pop that in the little opening there. And there you have it. Now we could put a stamp on here. Let's see, I guess I could do the same as this one. Put that Be Jolly on there. I'll take the chocolate out for now. There we go. Put it down there. And then we can add one of these, maybe we'll add the green one this time. Put that right on that little wreath. It's kind of cute like that. Whoops. Stick to there. There you go. So that's what they look like, but they're kind of a cute little project. So I hope you like that, and maybe it's something you'd like to try. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.